Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to block someone on Spotify. To block someone on Spotify, first of all, open up your Spotify application on your mobile device or your computer and make sure to log into your account. From the home page, tap on the search button at the bottom and in the search box at the top, type in the name of the person you are trying to block or find. After typing down the name, tap on search and from the categories at the top, select profiles. You will then be able to see a list of profiles that you are looking for, depending upon the name that you typed in. Find the person's profile you would like to block and tap the three dots underneath their profile picture. In the pop-up at the bottom, click on block and confirm by tapping block once again. Right after you do that, you will be able to block someone on Spotify. Once blocked, they won't be able to view your activity, follow you, or interact with your playlist. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Spotify tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.